I roughly made this just so you could see some sizes, because you know everybody's different, personal preferences, hand sizes, etc. This is my preferred size of tinfoil to make my do-it-yourself homemade slingshot ammo that explodes when you hit targets but won't explode in your pocket. There it is, there's 12 BBs. Okay, so I put my BBs in a little container, and I got my tinfoil all nice and cut. Now, I usually fold it over my finger like that, so it stays kind of round at the end. Dump in the BBs. Only reason I use a container so I don't lose any, obviously. Then shape it, and then you can either cut these off or fold them over. I'll just cut them for demonstration purposes. And there you have it.